Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to take profit on Coinbase. So right now we are here on the advanced chart, and if you don't have any idea how to come here, just enable this button right there. And now we are here on the Solana to USD chart. So from now, first of all, what you need to do is verify your account and put some money to your account. Hey, I'm very broke because I don't have any money standing on my account, but I know exactly how you can take profit right here. Because if you click here on buy and click on limit, you can fill in right here the limit price. Then after that, fill in here the amount of USD or Solana you want to buy. And then after that, you select right here the take profit and stop loss option. Then what we're gonna do for stop loss is we put this one to 0. So let's do it to 0. And then right here we put this one to 10%. That is fine. And then right now we can click here on buy. But I don't have any money on my account. And I know that you have money on your account. So from now, you is standing by the spot right here. And that is the only thing that you need to do to create your position with a take profit. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.